Okay guys, we're just off into the Ruahines, quick overnighter to a wee spot that we've got. Involves a bit of a walk up a creek. Then we'll have a look around and see if there's any deer. And we'll let you know in about 24 hours time. Here comes the boy. Jono, sneaking up behind him. You going right?
Yeah, sweet.
Good bush. Yeah, right. How you finding it, James?
Fucking sucks. That's fun. Alex.
So here we are looking for the missing rifle magazine. We've got to go and recover a deer, but we can't go until we've found the magazine. We found it?
But steep, eh?
Oh, that's it. Shit, man.
Keep an eye out for a deer. 400 metres to go, Mr. Hicks.
Yeah, good. Bloody good.
How you feeling?
I'm loving it. This is a good adventure.
Oh well, didn't see anything this morning. Got up at 5 o'clock, had a cup of coffee and a feed of bacon, and then headed up the stream to got a nice re-clearing, but yeah, nothing on that, so we're just back at the camp now. So we might wake the boy up, pack up and take off for a nice cup of coffee in Woodville or somewhere like that. So yeah, we're staying at what we call Manuka Camp, which is just tucked off the river here. Nice little plateau.